Hello, hello everyone. Good morning. If you are listening on my YouTube channel, I hope you can hear me. If you can hear me, type yes or say hi. Good morning. Okay. I hope this lighting is okay. Let me adjust this lighting. Good morning, everyone. Okay. And those watching me on my TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube channel, so you can only see the live stream there on my YouTube. So Abdra Saleh, good morning. Abdullahim, hello bro, morning. Watching you from Juja, Kenya. Kenyan Trend Media, hi chief, poa sana. Okay, I hope you guys can hear me. I'm just confirm kama mnanisikia. Maola Leonard, poa sana. Guys, can you hear me? If you can hear me, let's say continue. Just confirm with me if you can hear my voice. Then we can start the live stream. It's okay. Okay. So yesterday, Wanjiru Wangondo. Okay, we are more than 25 people live. So as yesterday we did the live stream for yesterday, and we have several couple of trades, of which most of the trades they didn't materialize. Hi Alex, how are you? Timothy Morage, kindly start with gold. Okay. Okay, so I'll start with gold. So we did the live stream yesterday. Only I think 3 pairs because may materialize. Hizo zingine the market ilikuwa so range sana, in a range sana. So I'll just start with the live, directly to the live analysis. Nini. And also let me know if you have any question, if you have any comment, because today we are ready for the live stream. So kama utakuwa na any comment ama any question unaweza niuliza hapo on the comment section. So I'll just go directly to the live stream. Christina Nyamoya. Thank you so much, Christina Nakuananga. Nime share the live stream. Okay, share. Okay. Today, okay. Okay, so let's start with the Euro CHF. Our watch list when tunaangalianga the same way we start our analysis. We start our analysis with Euro CHF, and if you can hear me, type yes, because if you know mtu amenikonfirmia kama ananisikia. Cliff Mugo, hello Cliff Mugo, Spongy, hello. Gold imekaribia ile zone yako. Okay, sawa sawa. Kindly start with gold. And I see a lot of people wanasema tuanze gold. Okay, who else? Okay, because even if I start with gold right now, watu wengine bado watanuza. Let's wait for people wafike around 40 to 50 and then itaangalia gold. Before we watu join the live stream, let's start with our pairs zenye tunaangalianga. It's normal. So we start with Euro CHF, and those kindly watching me on my TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube channel. That's why I do my analysis. Okay, so Euro CHF imekuwa ikiconsolidate, but now yesterday I saw like a wedge. Kulikuwa na wedge. Simon alikuwa amenitumia this analysis on Euro CHF on day time frame, but this pair haijakuwa ikitupea any entries for the past 1 week and a half. Tumekuwa every day tuna skip and it's giving us a lot of ranging. Okay, so this is on 4 hours. Let's see on 1 hour. This is a flag indicating for more sales. I'm bearish on Euro CHF, indicating for more sales. This is a flag. And also, let me educate you something. Whenever you come on 4 hours and you ever see this candlestick, unaona hii candlestick ya green on a demand area imeachwa hivyo, inakuwa ikiindicate market ita drop. Inakuwa ni kama order block. So if you are taking your entry, your stop loss should be here. Lakini sasa hii tuko ready for this entry because how many stop loss ni pips ngapi? Stop loss tunafaa iko hapo. Or stop loss kwa 27 pips. Ni kama hii pia ina pips. It seems Euro CHF doesn't have a pip value 27. So your stop loss should be above. Whenever you're having an entry, this is where you're supposed to set your stop loss. Your stop loss should be always above the green candle. You see this green candle because it's always like an OB on this demand area. So enough stop loss yako inafaa ikuwe above this, slightly above this candlestick here on 4 hours. So for me, if you're on Euro CHF, if you're selling, you are safe on Euro CHF. Let's go to the next pair, EuroCAD. Yesterday we had an entry on EuroCAD. Did you have an entry on EuroCAD? If you also guys remind me of the pairs we did yesterday. We had a sell. Ndo hii sell yetu ya EuroCAD. Hata leo asubuhi we had a sell. I did the analysis with Abdul Saleh. So we have been selling Eurocard since Tuesday, and then we gave another re-entry yesterday. Let me see how many people follow my analysis. If you can remember why I gave these entries on Eurocard yesterday, just comment. Nakwanga na giveaways, and just comment on the comment section. Why did we have this area? Why did we take our re-entry yesterday? And also, hiyo ina giveaway. Ninajua leo sipeani giveaway, but nitapeana kwa a technical question. So why did we have this re-entry yesterday? Mbona tulichukua hii order? And which criteria to do is to this to take this order? So as I can know you guys mna follow up on the analysis yenye nafanyanga. So let me see on the comment section how many people took. Why were we having the re-entry on Eurocard and why were we selling? Let me see on the comment section as we wait for see the person who is answering correctly. Unaona hakuna mtu anaanza, lakini nikisema there's a giveaway of $20 watu wataanza kujibu hapo guessing. Give it a try hata kama umekosea. Give it a try. So we had a re-entry on Eurocard, and how many people? I want to see in the comment how many people took Eurocard, because I gave Eurocard also on my VIP yesterday. Nobody on the comment section anasema. And I also gave GPP card. We gave Eurocard, GPP card also. I remember my yesterday's trades that we gave. Yeah, I see nobody is giving us a comment. Guys, okay, so I can't see anybody giving us the reason. The reason why we had this re-entry on Eurocard yesterday is because of a flag. We had a bearish flag, which was a continuation of our entry yesterday. Upper. I gave this re-entry yesterday because why can't I see the comments? Okay, we gave this entry and yesterday's re-entries on Eurocard because of a flag, TP meguzwa, and also kama walikuwa mehold these entries last week, bado ziko sawa. Can you be my mentor? Guys, can you, if you're watching me live on TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm talking about these entries. So how many people took Eurocard yesterday? How many people took Eurocard? Is Jamal here? Is Jamal on the live analysis on the live stream? Okay. So today's analysis on Eurocard, we can have a re-entry here because there's no indication of us to continue selling this market. You guys remember we have been selling this Eurocard since on Monday. That's when we have been having these re-entries on Eurocard, and the market has been very bearish. So we are not going to have a re-entry here because there's no any continuation pattern, or there's no any confirmation for us to continue our re-entry, and there's no any indication of the market is doing a reversal. So the market is still bearish, but there's not any re-entry here. So the market is still bearish. If you're still holding, if you have your entries on Eurocard, keep holding them. We go to GPP card. Yesterday, we gave another entries on GPP card yesterday. You remember yesterday? Who else can remember also GPP card? We gave because of this flag. Ninakumbuka nikifanya. Where is Pamela? Pamela, you were live yesterday. And also, if you don't remember how we did this analysis yesterday, you can go back to my live stream ya jana, and then you see the analysis that we did. So we gave this analysis on Eurocard. Na kuna mtu aliniuliza achukue saa hiyo. Sijui ni Alex. Is it Alex who was asked me either to confirm to take GPP card? Who took this entry? Who took on GPP card? Guys, let's be engaging. Let's see on the comment section. If you took the entries and the entries we gave yesterday, please comment on the comment section, because these are the same things we did with you guys yesterday. So we gave sales on GPP card because of our flag. And I remember someone asked me if I had to take the entries. Who took GPP card? Am I the one who's not seeing the comments, or who is? Guys, let's engage. If you took the entries, please comment on the live stream, and let's be engaging. So we gave these cells still running, almost hitting our TP, and we were targeting this area on daily time frame. Let me show you. We were targeting this area. We came up with this zone here. We came with this zone. We came up with this zone because of order block. You can remember the daily order block which I was talking about. I spoke about that these cells, they're still coming back all the way down to this order block on daily time frame, and that's how we came up with these cells of yesterday and the previous day. And then also we had a break of structure. You remember when we sold GPP card here last week? We took the entries here. So we have been having re-entries. So we have been trading. One thing you have to note that the moment we have been doing analysis, we don't change our buyers. we have our entry, our re-entry, we continue the overall direction of the market. I don't think since I started doing the GPP card the past 2 weeks, there's the day I've come live and told you guys to buy GPP card. I've been always like sell because there's a breakover structure, and then re-entry because there is a continuation part of a flag, and then continue telling because there's this entry zone. You see, that's the way you do your analysis. So you don't have to do your analysis today from a buy, tomorrow you shift to a sell. So you have to go with the trends of the market. Guys, anybody can remember when we had these entries here? I remember when we had these entries way back here because of this flag. Imagine we had these re-entries here on flag. I think it was on last week, the other week, I think. Last week's live stream, that's when we had the re-entries here because of a flag. The same criteria we have been using to continue selling this market. Remember, the same criteria we have been using to continue taking entries on this market. The same criteria we used there, the same criteria we used yesterday to have this re-entry. Can you check that market? This is one pair, but we have been having entries and re-entries and entries. You remember one trade, second trade, and another trade, all both going to the same direction that we have been checking on the market. Okay, let's go to US oil. So who is on Eurocard, GPP card, not Eurocard, yes, Eurocard and GPP card. Still, I can see the comments. Am I the one who's not seeing the comment? Let me stop sharing. So I'm the only one who's not seeing the comment. Yeah, it seems I'm not seeing the comment. Okay. Sorry, guys. It seems I'm not seeing the comments on my side. I was wondering you guys, you're not commenting. Okay. So I can see me read the comment. I see, hello, flag. Abdul said because of a flag. Yes. Alex is saying because of a flag. We said it's a flag, sir. Yes. Now I can see the comments. How do you determine a valid flag? Okay, we'll come back to that topic of how to determine a valid flag. Okay, good morning, Simon. So let me continue sharing my screen. Okay, sorry guys, comment on my side. Okay, so this is on GPP card, so we can have another entry here because there's no any structures for us to have an entry there. Let's continue to US oil. So yesterday, US oil, we had a re-entry here. We had a buys. We were looking for buys here on US oil. And US oil failed us because it moved a little few pips above and then came back because our entry yesterday was this way. We were looking for long position yesterday because of, let's go to 4 hours, because of the order block which was being left there by the green candle. Let me show you how our entry is here. So we took an entry yesterday on oil, an entry such way. The entry was like this. And we were given TP there. The TP should be start be here because of 4 hours. So you can see the market came back down, but I'm still looking forward for buys on US oil, and your target should be at this particular level. So the market has been ranging. This is a ranging market, and this is a flag also. This is a ranging market. This is not a bearish structure. This is a bullish structure indicating for more buys, all the way to this zone of order block on 4 hours, this area. So we have few pips all the way, but I'm still looking forward for more buys. If you are trying to sell US oil, don't try. The buys are valid all the way to this zone. Kindly, the buys are valid all the way to this zone. So Euro JPY, the JPYs that didn't have any view, I'll come back again to them. USD JPY, Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD, there's a zone we are looking for the market to activate so as we can have a re-entry. This area, the market has not yet come back to our entry zone, which is on the zone is on 4 hours, the order block area, and also the liquidity area. So the market has not yet come back to our zone. So I'll patiently wait for the market to come back again. But now Euro USD is still bearish. This is not any reversal structure. That's why I'm looking forward for sales, because the market, yes, itself is still structure-wise is very bearish. Euro AUD is still running. We gave these setups. Anybody who can remember the Euro AUD we took yesterday? We gave these entries on Euro AUD. These entries on Euro AUD, we gave a sell. The market is still running on our side. And also, it shows that there's another block also left here. Who can give me the criteria we used to take Euro AUD? And we have been having these sales of Euro AUD all the way from this week on Monday. That's when we had these entries on Euro AUD. Our TP was finally hit. This is almost TP2, but now the market is still bearish. Who can remember why we had entries on Euro AUD? Is Jamal still holding? Yesterday I had around 4 people who were still holding the trades on Euro AUD. They were swinging Euro AUD. And who can comment? I'll see the comment. Kinot is saying a flag. Yes, we are having these re-entries on a flag. Head and shoulder. No, yes, the re-entries on 4 hours was the head and shoulder as also liquidity area because the market was coming back to the previous day high and the previous week high. And also yesterday we had a re-entry on it on Euro AUD using the flag. So if you're still holding, hold it all the way to the TP. So I'm targeting these areas on TPs there. So we don't have a re-entry on it because currently there's no any structures for us to continue selling, but the market is still valid. So if you're on a trade ya jana, but to continue holding. This is NZD card. NZD card, we have been looking forward for this market to come back again to this zone. Haikuwa valid activate our zone. There's no any re-entry, but I'm bearish on NZD card. We have only had one trade on NZD card this week because haijarudi kwa ile zone yetu. And then GBP AUD. This one I think failed as GBP AUD. Let me see. Yes, flag formation. Oh yeah, GBP AUD materialized. We were looking forward to have a sales here, and the reason why. Let me see the comment why we had a sales here. Why were we having sales here on GBP AUD? Let me see if you guys now know how I do analyze my market. GBP AUD. Why were we having entries on GBP AUD sales? Let me see how many people knows why we took these entries on GBP. Most of the pairs we took yesterday, they are materializing today because yesterday was just a ranging. It's filled here, liquidity grab. No, Kinodi is not a liquidity grab. Masharia is saying OB. Someone else. Let me see the comment section. Why were we having an entry on GBP AUD? Abdulsa is saying OB. Yes, the OB has called it because of this order block I've up here. That's why the Kenyan boy order block was yet to be mitigated. Yes, that's why we were looking for sales here, this area, because of an order block and the market is bearish. And how do we trade an order block? Another question is, I would like someone to explain me using like a paragraph there. How do we trade an order block? How do we trade an order block? And then there's a reward on it. There's a reward on that one who will answer it correctly. So that I have a giveaway on that one. So on the entry on GPPAUD, so if you're still holding on GPPAUD, continue holding your trades. They are still valid. GBPCHF, we didn't have a view on GBPCHF. I didn't think we had any entries on GBPCHF yesterday. It seems the other day. But yesterday, I don't think we gave the entries on GBPCHF. Yeah, leave alone GBPCHF. Leave alone GBPCHF. Let's go to Euro GBP. Why were we looking for buys here? The market didn't meet. Did it hit the OB? Oh, we had this the last red candle. But okay. So on Euro GBP, we were looking for buys, and the reason why I gave this high is because of the inverse head and shoulder. The market should not hold above the OB. There's a particular answer I'm looking for. So we were looking for buys on Euro GBP, and then the market seems to touch the order block on 4 hours because this is how we mark the area. These were the rest red candles here. Did the market mitigate this area? Yes, the area was mitigated for entries. Okay, it seems we had overestimated on having our entries below, but the buys were still valid at this particular area. And the reason why is because of the inverse head and shoulder, which was visible on 4 hours, which is the head, shoulder, and shoulder. So yesterday we had a setup. Let me see. So the giveaway today will be for those people who followed the A setup I gave. So name all the A setup I gave yesterday. Name them on the comment section. So the Kenyan boy is saying an order block, either the last selling on the buying candle in the market, yes, should be a little bit should be mitigated to activate other pending orders left during the impulsive movement. There's a certain point I want for when it's come to order block. Okay, AUD card. Did we have an entries on AUD card? No, this one I said is a long term because on a weekly time frame we are looking for the market to come back again here. We can have a long term entries on the AUD card. NZDCHF. NZDCHF, we didn't have a view yesterday because of the ranging market. I know yesterday we had the A setup for GPP card, GPP AUD, and US oil. One more. Let me see on the GPP card, GPP AUD, US oil. So let me see the A setups we had yesterday. The A setups, let me see. Let me see the A setup. So I'm reading through the comments. So as I'm checking, Mashari is saying GBP card, GBP USR, and UDCHF. Okay, so I'll check out that one, Masharia. I see of your comments are very correct. Setups GBP card, USR, GBP AUD, and Euro AUD. Okay, Christine Nyamoya has it. Christine Nyamoya has it on the A setups he had yesterday. Just a moment. Just a moment, guys. On NZDCHF, yesterday we didn't have any setups on NZDCHF. Remember GJ? Yes, Pamela, I'm checking GJ, but I don't have a views on GJ. That's why you see I'm a little bit hesitating on GJs because the overall direction of GJs, I don't have a clear direction of the GBP JPY, not the GBP, but the overall direction of the JPY pairs. So NZD card, we didn't have any pair on it. And on NZD USD, yesterday we didn't have also any analysis. Yes, we had NZDSD. There's this guy, I don't know, remember who was it. He had an entry on order block, and I told him to hold their position or to wait the confirmation of the closure of 1 hour. Order block was visible on 1 hour. Let's go to 1 hour. Yeah. So you see, let's give an example of how a valid order block is. So yesterday, let me give it. If you guys can remember, on NZBSD, there's an order block here. And this person, I can't remember the name, they had a sales on the NZDST. I told them, for you to exit a position, you don't exit a position because of emotions, and you don't exit a position because you think of exiting the position. It's because of what technically you can see on the market. So I gave them an idea of, let them wait for the closure of 1 hour so they can have a confirmation whether the candlestick is closing within or below the order block. By the time the candlestick they close below the order block, doesn't confirm that the order block is valid and still indicate that the market is still bearish. So the same case, still NZDUSD is still bearish. Today, can we have a re-entries on NZDUSD? Let me see on daily time frame. But I don't like NZDUSD. They keep on saying they have very big spreads on NZDUSD. I don't really like it on when it's come to trading because it's slow, very slow, but have high big spreads. BTC USD, I'll check them. Watch Paris is saying a GBP card, US oil, Euro AUD, and GBP AUD. I'll check them. I remember we had like 4 A setups. The winner has a reward today. So on NZDSD, honestly, I'm very bearish on it, but I can't really advise you to focus on it. And we are looking forward for trades to trade today because we don't have any entry. Since most of the trades we took yesterday, they are still running and we are still monitoring them. So coming back to gold. So gold, we have been looking for gold to come back to our zone. Finally, Merudi. You see, finally, I do tell you guys to be very patient when it comes to trading because the market will still come back to your entry zone. Okay, so we have two views on gold. Gold is back to this zone, which I've been observing and talking about each and every day. So when it comes to that area, and the reason why this area has been very key for me is because of these order blocks on 1 hour and on daily time frame. Okay, so how do you confirm that this area is a valid entries? How do you confirm that this area is a valid entry? The same case how we trade the order block is the same case we trade these setups. So the inverse, this is not an inverse, this is the head and shoulder. It's visible on a daily time frame. So meaning the confirmation is going to be confirmed from the daily time frame. So meaning on the closure of today's, I'm expecting this market not to break this area because the candlestick is still running. You see the daily candlestick on the daily time frame on gold is still running. For us to confirm that this area is valid, it's either to break but leave a wick, leave a wick above it, and closing the body should not close above this area. So let me just have my horizontal line. So I should convert this market into a line chart, and I don't expect this market by the closure of today either to close this above here to give us a confirmation that the market is going to reverse. So this is how you're going to trade these setups. So having this setup, you're going to experience such a way that by the closure of 2 days, because the setup is visible on daily time frame, the setup is not visible on. Is it visible also on 4 hours? Because I have been observing these setups on. Okay, also the setup is also visible on 4 hours. So If the setup is still visible on 4 hours, we have to wait for this market to show the confirmation that the market is unable to close above it. So give it more time. This is the exact area you are supposed to be observing on gold. You see the exact area. So this is the exact area you should be confirming on gold. So those people ask me about gold. This is a setup on gold. I'm looking forward for the market to drop from this area zone on gold. USD ZAR, we didn't have any view on USD ZAR. GBPSD, we didn't have any setup on GU, but it had a flag. I know yesterday advising people to keep off GU because it's not valid. Someone asked me about yesterday about GU. These setups are still bearish. This is a bearish setups. So this is a bearish setup. So GU and Euro USD, they're still bearish. They're still bearish. This is a flag indicating for more sales. USD CHF. Now we are on USD CHF. Coming back to USD CHF, on USDCHF, we have been waiting for this market to come back to the order block on 4 hours. Yet the market didn't come back again. Yet the previous 2 days, the market has not activated that area. Honestly, this is not a clear movement on me. This is not any clear movement on USDCHF. It doesn't show me the clear movement where it's heading to. So just keep off USDCHF, keep off of it. But I know USDCHF is bullish, and by being bullish, I'm looking forward for more buys. So if I'm looking forward for buys, where am I supposed to position myself? I'm either positioning myself on this area. I'm either positioning myself on the previous area where the market activated it, or I'm positioning myself on the order block of the 4 hours. So let's go to the next one. Bitcoin is 96. What the hell is going on? We are heading to 100K. The 100 is valid. Oh my goodness. Just a moment of silence for Bitcoin. Okay. We are heading to 100K. Shit. I have no view, but I said the other day, Bitcoin currently you can trade Bitcoin using technical analysis or either because currently Bitcoin is moving through sentimentals, and by sentimentals the overall decision of investors, meaning investors they are putting more money on Bitcoin, and now that's why you keep on waking up each and every time buying and buying and buying and buying. So if you're looking forward to trade Bitcoin, know that it's not driven by technical analysis. Even if you see any the reverse, it cannot sell. Even if you see which candlestick or which pattern, it is not selling, it is going to buy because the Bitcoin is driven by sentimentals. And when it comes to sentimentals, the market moves just crazy as what you can see. You know, when it comes to trading analysis, we have technicals analysis, we have fundamentals analysis, and we have sentimentals. And that's what I'm talking. Sentimentals is all about the decision of investors. You remember that Bitcoin is backed up by Trump, and also Trump was backing up Bitcoin and the payment, like also taking it as a reserve for reserving the USDs and the economy. So meaning that Bitcoin is going to buy and buy because of the demand it has currently. So that's why you can see the price is skyrocketing all the way, and they're targeting Bitcoin to hit 100K. So if you're on buyers Bitcoin, you're very safe because this market is driven sentimentally, not even technically. So if it's come to analyze such analysis, you cannot start drawing the demand area or the no. You just you just look for a perfect entry for you to continue buying this pair. That's what I can only say when it's come to Bitcoin. Bitcoin will rest at 110 if you use Fibonacci retracement. Yeah. So I'm talking about like that's why I'm talking about like you cannot even trade Bitcoin by analysis currently because it's just moving and moving. The same case we had was gold in a buy in a buy, and that's the only information I can give on Bitcoin. AUDSD ADSD, wow, it's back to a perfect reversal area of inverse head and shoulder. Which time frame is this? This is on, let's see, on daily. ADSD, let's see the whole structure of it. I'm bearish on AUDSD, and I'll be looking forward for more sales on AUDSD because the structure shows me the market is bearish, and it's bearish. On 1 hour, I can see a reversal. A sales. I can see an inverse, not an inverse, a head and shoulder. Let's convert this market into a line chart. Convert this area. So these are areas I'll be looking for AUDSD. So let me remove all the right and the left. So this is the only setup we have gotten today, AUDSD. I'll be looking for sales on AUDSD because of this, the head, the shoulder, and my risk reward ratio should be short position. Looking for a short position and a stop loss above here, and I will target my TP1 there and my TP2 here. So TP1 is here and TP2 should be here. So how is the stop loss? Itakuwa na stop loss ya ngapi? So wait for this market to tap these areas, hiyo area ya hapo nimeweka hapo. The market iko bado iko mature for selling, so it tap hapo hiyo that area, so you can look at for sales. And also tutakuwa na stop loss ya how many pips? Tuko na stop loss at 10 pips. 10 pips is a very small stop loss. You have a stop loss of 10 pips. So I'll be looking forward to sell my entries there and a stop loss of 10 pips. And I will be targeting how many pips? I'll be targeting 40 pips. So yeah, so it has a reward of 40 pips. And sorry, I'm supposed to leave this here. Short position for seller here. And make sure your sell, you're taking it after the close of this current 1 hour. Wait for more confirmation and then we sell here. Guys, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Those watching me on my YouTube channel, can you hear me? And I'll target this area. Okay, so JPY basket. The reason why I've not been trading GBP JPYs is because of this pair. You can clearly see the impulsive movement down, up, down. I don't have a clear direction of where the GBP JPYs they are heading to, and that's why you see I can have a clear. Today I expected more buys here, but the market didn't validate. That's why I don't have a clear view on. I don't trade the GP. I'm not trading GBP JPY because I don't have a clear view on where the market is heading to. Coming back to daily time frame, they're just randomly moving. You see these structures, I don't have a clear view. Are we bullish or bearish? So I just leave it them still today until I have a clear structure on it. AUDCHF on daily consolidating, not any few. Did we have an AUDCHF? Wanjiku or God who is talking about AUDCHF? I think yesterday we had an entries on it on AUDCHF. Let's come back to for us. So yesterday we had entries on this. This pair is the one that didn't validate ourselves. And now someone has asked me about, let me answer this question. So someone asked me, should a fair value gap and a break, should have a fair value gap and a break structure? So I don't remember what we were talking there. Someone taught me a valid flag. Yes, I don't see the comment, but I saw someone ask me about a valid flag. Flag, there's no any trading strategy or trading strategy which is always 100%. Meaning, it's the one that is giving you high win ratio. So you find out, like yesterday, we saw this flag and we were looking forward to have our buys here on AUDCHF, and we had a setup as this way long position. We were looking to have a long position here because this one was our A setups. We normally use the same analysis to take entries. We have taken entries using the flags, but most of the times it doesn't fail us. But yesterday, the market failed. As you can see on AUDCHF, we were looking for flag and the market to come back all the way to this zone. But you can see the market yesterday didn't validate. That's why we keep on advocating. I'll never do analysis here without giving a stop loss. I'll never show you an analysis without a stop loss. So yesterday the flag didn't materialize, but doesn't mean that flags are bad. And that's how doesn't mean that a flag they're bad or they're wrong. It's the only thing you have to use proper risk management. That's why we have a proper stop loss for you. So on AUDCHF today, I don't have a view on it because yesterday I expected more buys, and you can clearly see because on daily time frame, I think it's closed with a very bearish candlestick. Let's come back to daily. You can see on daily is ranging, not giving me a clear view of where the market is heading to. So I'll just leave it there until I have a clear breakout of where the market is heading to on AUDCHF. I can see Wanjiru Mugondu is asking, AUDCHF, Kifon Mugo did USDCHF, and AUDCHF, honest, is this the pair? Yes, AUDCHF. I don't have a clear view on it because honestly, you can see yesterday this failed us, so I cannot move from buying yesterday because yesterday I was looking for buys. Now shift to sales today. Yesterday I was looking for buys, and then I shift to sales today. No. So I don't have a clear view on it. So how do you trade candles with no wicks? Candles. We don't trade candles. We trade market structures. USD card. Okay, so on USD card, yesterday we didn't have a view because the previous day that's when we had a sales on USD card on Tuesday because of this bearish flag, expecting the market to come and retest these areas. And again, for me, USD card is still bullish because this is just a little bit of correction the market is giving us. Let me show you on daily time frame. This market is still bullish. Did we get to a certain zone on weekly time frame? No, 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 no. And let me see the previous day, week low. Let's the previous week low. Maybe may experience liquidity there. Previous week low. The previous week low you're marking using the previous week candlestick, the second candlestick of the weekly. Let's come to daily. Because for me, I'm bullish on USD card. That's on the daily time frame. Nothing I can see, nothing. Let's go to 4 hours. Guys, hit that like button on the YouTube channel. This is on AUDCHF. Okay, so on USD card, let's look for buyers at this particular area. Let's look for buyers at this particular area. And before we continue on USD card, why did I come up? I want the first answer. Why did I come up with a buy? And the second lesson, and the second answer, why did I come up with that entry? So I need an answer from you guys from the comment section. Why did I come up with those buys and why did I come up with that entry zone? Why did I choose this zone? Why did I choose this zone for my entry point? So, and how are we going to have an entries on USD card at this particular zone? So let me see on the comment section. So Dogecoin, you have been observing it, but okay. Dogecoin also trading through sentimentals. There's no any view on Dogecoin. NAS 100. We didn't have a view on NAS 100 yesterday. I said this is not a bullish structure. This is indicating for more sales until we are waiting for NAS 100 all the way to the order block on 1 hour. Is it 1 hour or 4 hours? We have been waiting for NAS 100 to come back again to this area. This particular area. So this market I'm expecting, this is a flag. You can clearly see this is a flag. We mark this flag this way. This is a flag. This is how we mark a flag. So indicating a very impulsive movement, a flag, and then we have another drop all the way down here. Okay. German 40, we didn't have any view on Germany index 40 yesterday. You just observe it, but now we go back to the previous day yesterday, or the previous day. So I see the comment, someone is saying liquidity grab, Kahoso 254, from the liquidity concept, overall market direction OB, and the liquidity over. Yes, now good guys, let me clap for you. I see guys mnapata what I'm talking about. I can see everybody's aligning. Yes, it's about the liquidity, the order block, and also the overall direction of the market. Let me give you a clap. Yeah, that's good. That's good. I can see you guys now may understand like why we are doing the analysis and how we do the analysis. That's good. That's good. That's good. We want the market to tap on the lower of the weekly time frame. Yes, the lower time to tap the market tap on the previous week low and to do a little bit of liquidity grab and then we continue because we have another block there. And yeah, because that's the only last buying zone for us to have a buy. And that shows me that you guys are really following up. You guys are understanding what we are talking about, and you guys we are talking about the same language because you can follow someone online. Maybe you can come to my live analysis, but you guys don't really know the kind of analysis how I do my analysis. By the time you are there, you know, you guys, you understand like, okay, this guy is called Dr. Forrest. He does his analysis this way. This is how he approach the market, and this is how we do analysis. At least we are speaking the same language in terms of analysis. Okay, that's a very nice move. That's a very nice. I'm good to see. I'm now a couple of 3 people answering the same question with the right answers. So now we focus on what we have done today. We have gone through our watch list. Any pair you guys, let me give this poll. Any pair you want me to add on my watch list, please comment it. Maybe there's a pair you normally trade and we don't have it on our watch list because these are just the pairs I have on my watch list. And maybe there's a pair you would like for us to add it on the watch list so we can keep on checking. We can be checking it. I'll give you a chance. Name on the comment section. I can add it on the watch list. No matter the pair, no matter the stocks, I'll still add it. Another question is, which pair did we have today? Today we didn't get so many pairs because most of the pairs we did yesterday was still running, and most of the pair we did analysis yesterday they are still in progress. And if you took yesterday's pair, let me see how many people took yesterday pair USD card break and retest concept. USD card. Oh, USD card is the one I was talking about. Samin Bull is talking about break and retest concept. The break and retest concept iko hapo juu kidogo. Samin Bull, yes, you're okay, but the break and retest, let me show you break and retest iko happy with Sami. Where's USD card, guys? Okay, here's USD card. So on USD card, the break and retest concept iko a bit juu kidogo. So kama uko na stop loss itakutoka because on 4 hours, this is a break and retest. Break and retest is supposed to be on this area, Sami. This area mahali iko sahi ndo break and retest. But to look for this area, unaliguza mara ya kwanza ikakata, so we're looking for the liquidity grab hapo chini kiasi. That's what we are talking about. Okay, which pair, guys, do you want me to add it on my watch list? On my watch list, guys. And another question is pair yenye gani leo? Leo tumepitia hizi pair zote na hakuna entries. Hakuna entry tumepata ingine ya continuation ama ya kuchukua. There's no any super entries today. Because most of the pair tumefanya zimekuwa zikirun tu. Okay. So any pair. Okay, it seems you guys pairs zenye niko nazo bado ndo mna trading. Okay, another question is silver. Okay, not you want me to add silver? Yes, I'll add silver. Which one else do you want me to add? Apart from silver, US oil too. Now, na comment kwa TikTok. We have US oil also on my watch list. And go to my TikTok. No, I'm live on YouTube. Okay. You have US oil on our watch list. We do check US oil. Ndio iko hapa. We have US oil on our watch list. Na tumesema we are bullish on US oil because of the structure. So we don't. Okay. Can we have an entry on today's US oil? Okay, let me talk about US oil. Kuna mtu, there's someone can ask me, Doctor, today why don't you have an entry and US oil has a flag? This is the reason why. The reason why I'm not giving an entry on US oil because of the risk to reward ratio. The zone we are targeting on US oil is this area. You see this area on 4 hours. So you can see on 4 hours, we are targeting this area of order block, meaning we are going to buy this market from here to here, and our stop loss from here to here. You see the risk to reward ratio, they are not adding up. That's why I have not focused even to say have an entry on US oil because the risk to reward ratio I add up to because target ni buys all the way to this area lazima imitigatiwe na stop loss yetu hapa. You can see if we have a long position there, we cannot have a good proper risk entry management. Like our target is here. So that's why now I'm younger, and this is the most important thing in trading. Before you take a trade, calculate your loss and calculate your profit. This is the entry, guys. Having such an entry, this is a stop loss, this is a take profit. So meaning there's no any risk to reward ratio on that particular setup. So that's why you can see not having any entries on yourself, though I know it's going back to this area. Okay, Ethereum versus USD. Okay, nitaziongeza Ethereum versus USD. Let's check the GJ because the reason why tujakuwa tukitrade GJ, I don't understand where the GJs they are heading to. GJ, when I talk GJ, I'm talking about GBP, JPY. Where can I see? I'm live on YouTube, bro. Nico. So if you want to watch this view, go to on my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is Dr. Forex, or go to my Telegram. There's a link there on my bio. You can be able to access the YouTube live. So this is GJ. I don't have a view because I can shift from buying to selling. So if I don't have a clear view on GJs, I just step away. So I don't have a view direction of the overall market where it's heading to on GBP. So let's go to what I was asking. I was asking the A setups we had yesterday. Let me check on my VIP because the setups it give you they are the same setup I gave on VIP. Yesterday's was November the 21. I gave sales on GBP card. I gave Euro AUD sales. So I gave sales on GBP card. Let's see kama ziko sawa. I gave sales. Nilipeana sales on I gave sales on GBP card bado in a run. I gave also sales on Euro AUD. Yes, still running. Iko sawa. I gave over sales on Euro AUD, and then I gave sales on GBP AUD. Okay, I gave also sales on GBP AUD. That's those three. I need one more. One more, one more was AUDCHF yenye ilikataa, ilikuza stop loss. AUDCHF, AUDCHF. So we had three pairs yesterday. This is a pair that ilikata our entry because we were looking forward for more buys on this flag, and then ikakata to materialize. So meaning our A setup yesterday ilikuwa Euro AUD, ilikuwa GBP card, and then Euro AUD, GBP AUD, and AUD CHF. Let me see on the comment section nani alipata hiyo question, alipata the full answers zenye nilikuwa nimeuliza. Okay. GBP card US pearl, Euro AUD, GBP AUD. Watch balance amejaribu GBP card US or GBP card Euro AUD. Mbona msemi AUD CHF yenye iliguza stop loss? GBP card US pearl. Okay, Kinoti. Flag. Is it flag? Any other comment? I can see any other comment on that. Okay, that is it. So today's guys, I have seen we have more than that one people live. So today's we don't have a lot of setup because most of the setups in a run. And how many people are still holding yesterday's trades? How many people are still holding the yesterday's trade? Let me see in the comment section, because leo ni kama soko imekauka, hakuna entry. Ama you guys have an entry? Let me see if anybody who has an entry has a view on the market. Write on the comment section so as we can check. Because on my side checking, there's no any entry for my peers, the ones that are trade. Those in a run from yesterday. And is Finn here? Is Finn here? And Finley, yeah, is Finley on the live session? And still dropping Euro CHF. Sales on gold. Kuna Yego anasema anatafuta sales on gold. Nimesema sales on gold, they need more confirmation, bado zijafika area. Bado. Let's see. Bado mapema. And this is the area we are going to experience change of character. So let me talk about gold. So if gold breaks this area they make a horizontal line. You know, now my buyers itakuwa imeshift from bearish to bullish. Like if you break this area, honestly, I'm expecting this gold to continue buys all the way to 2800. So this is the only area we are looking forward to see either the market to drop, or if you break here now, the buyers continue to bullish all the way to the 2800. So staging for AUD USD. Oh yeah, and the only pair we are checking today is AUD USD. And AUD USD bado iko na hiyo head and shoulder hiyo bado. We are looking forward from sellers on AUD USD. Usiniambie imeanza kushuka. Yeah. We are looking forward for sales on AUD USD, and this is the setups on AUD USD. Today has a stop loss of 10 pips. So the only setups we have today is AUD USD peke yake. Hatuna any other setup. Ni hivyo. So any other question? NZDUSD? No, I didn't give a view on NZDUSD. Abdullah, which pair, what are you looking for on NZDUSD? NZDUSD. On NZDUSD, I didn't give any view today. Christina Nyamaya another AUX, I think, or AUDCHF. So no, I didn't give an UNZUSD. I know it's bearish, but I didn't give an entry on it. Only for anybody who's looking for to risk, but be on the safer side of ourselves on NZUSD. And then is AUDCHF. AUDCHF. Christina nani hii pay iko bearish. Sisi ndio jana ilitutoa na hii sales nini buy zetu za flag hapa hivi. So I don't have a clear view on it, but if you are looking for to have an entry, this is a flag. It will still, this is a flag indicating for more sales. Christina, this is called a flag. Iko hivyo. If you are looking for to have an entries, you can have an entries of a bearish hivyo. short position, and a stop loss above the flag, and target huku chini. Target sales hadi huku chini. Yeah, target sales hadi huku chini. Yeah, target sales hadi huko chini. That's on AUDCHF. Which other pair, guys, you want me to check on your side? Which other pair before we end the live? Which pairs, guys, do you want me to check? This pair has a head and shoulder. Yeah, the pair we are having today is also AUDCHF cells because we have a head, a shoulder, and a shoulder. It's a cell. AUDCHF is also a cell, more of cells because we have also a reversal structure of a head and shoulder this area. And this is a flag being formed here, indicating for more cells on AUDCHF. Yeah, that one is okay. Guys, can you hear me? Okay. I can't see any more comments. See any more comments? I think you guys have exhausted the comments. Any other questions before we end? Let me stop sharing the screen and can. Any other question, guys, before we end the live? I will consider on adding those pairs we have talked about, the silver and Ethereum versus USD on my watch list. And guys, let's hit the like button. We have to end this live with more than 20 likes. Let's hit that like button. The like button is the like button, not the love button, but the like button. There, we are at 14 likes. So, any question before we end this live? And which pair are you also looking for to take today? Because we have AUD USD and AUD We have both sales on those pairs, those two pairs today. Let's hit the like button. We are at 15 likes, more likes. Let's hit 20 likes so we can end the live. Okay, so we have talked about two entries today, AUDSD and AUD Both of the pairs we are looking for sales on them. Is nimeona nani watch pale hapa? Is nani live here? Nimesahau jina, but I know him. Guys, let's hit that like button. That's the only way you can support him. Hitting the like button is impossible. Let's hit that like. Does NAS 100 require a lot of money to trade it? It depends. Let me talk about NAS 100. If you want Maria Mash, NAS 100 is the NASDAQ. If you want to trade NASDAQ, it depends with the broker. For me, it depends with the broker if you want to trade Nasdaq because broker wengine you can trade 0.01. There's a broker I know. I think I'll come with the same answer. Don't remind me kesho. Muulize nimwambie ni broker mgani. I can't remember the name, but that brokers allows you to trade 0.01. The micro lots you can trade the micro lots on that broker, and the micro lots is very volatile when it comes to Nasdaq. And the rest of the broker, the only lots you can use is 0.1. So it depends with the broker for you to trade Nasdaq. Yeah, it depends. Kuna broker wengine the Nasdaq is very fine kama moto, but there are some brokers the Nasdaq is not volatile. Please, re-explain on the liquidity graph on that pair, please. Which pair we were talking liquidity graph? USD card on USD card, Abdera? Yes, I already explained on the liquidity graph on the USD card also before we end. Any other question, guys? Let's hit that like button to talk at another 30 likes today. As we wait for people to hit, let's continue analyzing the USD card also, because you want me to explain on the liquidity club on USD card. I hope it's USD card you're talking about, Saleh. Okay, let me go back and then explain to USD card. Okay, so this is the pair he's talking about me to explain about the USD, the liquidity club. So coming back to daily, let's move this area. Let's move these trends. Okay, so liquidity is mostly found on the previous week, month high, month low, month high, month low, week high, week low, day high, day low. Guys, so the liquidity is also found on month high, month low, and all those kind of liquidity. Okay, since my TikTok has been banned, guys, let me end the live stream there. Abdul, I will explain about it. Since my TikTok has been banned, the TikTok account which has more than 10K followers. So let's end the live stream, guys. And make sure when I announce my new TikTok account, you can go and follow me. Kindly go and follow me on my new TikTok account if I announce it, because since my new TikTok has been banned. Okay, bye bye. I'll be back.